What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you something simple that'll help you to easily manage your input and output devices. That means your microphones and your speakers. Let's jump right into it. Now that Windows is loaded, you're going to want to click the Windows button and type in sound. Here you'll see sound settings pop up. You're going to want to click that. Now all of your sound input and output will be here on the right hand side. For your output devices, there's a drop down. This will allow you to choose different outputs such as headphones or speakers or monitor speakers, speaker bar, etc. You can also change the volume and you can change the input. Here it allows you to choose your input device. If you have multiple microphones as inputs on your computer, you can choose them here. On the very bottom of the screen, you'll see that my microphone is actually working, so it is picking up my voice. This is a good spot to start if you're trying to troubleshoot. We can also change the default volume and device preferences for specific applications. In order to change the default volume for an application, the application has to be open to show up on this list. So I'm going to open Zoom just to show you how that works. Now that Zoom is open, it allows me to change the settings for it. So if I have Zoom meetings, I can choose to always use my headphones. I can also choose to always use a specific microphone. At any point, I can reset any of these settings to the default. If you have issues with your computer not picking up your microphone or your speakers, you can troubleshoot your computer by clicking on the troubleshoot below the speaker output device or below the microphone device. Windows will let you go through this process to find a solution. That's a quick, easy introduction to managing your sound devices on a Windows 10 PC. I can't wait to see you guys. Until next time, peace.